6 things I've experienced, special, very special to my heart. I've performed with Celine Dion, and I've shared a stage with Jenny Kay. I've went on tours. I sang with the magnificent Soweto Gospel Choir. I performed with Thandiswa Mazwai, Louis Subala, and please vote for me, South Africa. It's my voting number is 06. It's 06. Do not forget that.
Voices in my dreams telling me where I should go, saying over here, he's where I wanna be. This melody's in me, saying this is who I am. Dingabayinto na, kapanda kwa komino.